D16 Group's Devastor 2 is a fantastic multiband distortion unit that's great for laying down a rock-solid foundation for your track and adding power and grit to a kick and rumble mix in just a few seconds. Let me show you how this plugin can enhance your mix. It's amazing how quickly you can achieve this result. It takes 3 of Ableton's built-in distortion effects and a limiter to get something similar. Before we jump in, let's take a quick look at how Devastor 2 compares to Ableton's built-in distortion effects, and let us know in the comments which one you prefer. It's a simple process. Just follow the easy on-screen instructions and you'll be set in no time. You can see that D16 Group's Devastor 2 is a powerful tool that will save you a lot of time when tweaking your low end. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and watch the next video to learn how to get a fuller and louder mix every time. Don't forget to subscribe for more music production tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy producing!